Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, a lot of people are asking me, sir, how many months contract we do on a cruise ship? So, answer to this question is it depends on company to company. My personal experience is, especially hospitality industry, which is kitchen department, F&B, housekeeping, they normally do 7 to 9 months contract. But another department, which is retail, casino, front office, they do 6 to 7 month contracts. So it depends on company to company and department to department. But on an average, anything between 6 months to 9 months. So tomorrow, if anyone asks you how many months contract do people do on a cruise ship, so tell them anything between 6 months to 9 months. And well, guys, there is another thing also I want to tell you. What if you want to extend your contract? What is the procedure? The procedure is very simple. You need to go to your head of a department and tell them, sir, I have done my 7 month already, but I want to extend my contract. This is my leaving date. I don't want to leave on this date. I want to extend 1 more month or 2 months, whatever date you want. And if possible, they will extend it. And if not, they will tell you, will not able to extend it. Now let's see another scenario where you will say, sir, I want to shorten my contract. Yes, you can shorten your contract, but shortening, I'll tell you, it's always while coming back, you need to pay your own flight ticket.
No.
So it depends. If you want to shorten, yes, you can shorten your contract, but you need to pay your own flight ticket. But extending, you don't need to pay your own flight ticket. Thanks. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And I have seen personally, guys, the likes are very less. Please go ahead and click that thumb button and give me a like. I'll keep making such videos for you and informing you about the cruise ship life. So by then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.